Yan.
Yan, ayos na.
I will show you how to make fettuccine gamberi.
Aywa, baden.
This is how it goes, huh?
Aywa.
You put a little olive oil.
Little oil.
Garlic and onion.
Aywa.
Saute it like that.
Aywa.
And then the cubes.
Cubes.
And then
Wala na. Kasi. Aywa.
with cream.
Okay.
Okay. Whoop.
Oh.
And then you put chopped parsley and red jello.
Aywa, red yellow pasta. Aywa.
Extra.
Pininta, bebe.
Ito extra muna mga bay.
Na extra na muna siya. Ada extra inta sa dik.
Bye. Wala. Bye.
Sino na?
Bye. Bye.
Sino nang bibidyoin ko na to? Wala na.
Bye.
Oh, hindi ko na alam kung sinong bibidyoin ko pa to sa kamera ko.
Lahat namin.
Oh, sige na. Oh, lahat na lang kayo. Sige. Yan. Okay, Fettuccine gambari. Aywa. The water. Ang ilo. 1 minute cooking. 3 color chicken.
Chicken teriyaki.
Chicken teriyaki.
Mas maganda sa akin tayo. Maapoy.
Aywa.
Maapoy.
Ayan, umapoy rin. Butas yung kawali.
When you eat the pasta,
Aywa, fettuccine pasta. I will come at you.
and then you put in the cream.
Asan ako eh? Di na ako makapwisto.
This is like that.
Aywa.
3 scoop of sauce.
3 scoop of sauce.
Teriyaki sauce this.
Teriyaki sauce glaze. This is the fettuccine chicken. Yes.
3 color chicken.
And this is the 3-color chicken. Diba, parang raon na lang. Nagiging palingki yung video mo, Bin.
Put the
Shada.
sliced onion.
Aywa, slice onion.
The chicken teriyaki.
Oy, the garlic.
The lemon slice. And then the macaroni.
Aywa, the macaroni. Shada, nagiging raon na to nga.
Yellow green pepper.
Oh, red and yellow green pepper.
Teriyaki.
Teriyaki sauce. Aywa. Oh,
It's flaming.
oh, it's flaming.
Put a little moya.
Little water, oh. Tikas ng exhibition ko sa video.
And the finished product is here.
And the finished product,
Sprinkle the chopped parsley.
up, chopped parsley.
Okay.
And then,
You see that one?
aywa.
You focus it.
Focus it.
See?
Aywa.
See the beauty and the
Madness.
madness.
Aywa. Then beauty and the beast.
Yeah. That's it. Beauty and the beast. The beauty
Aywa.
and the beast.
Aywa, the beauty
And the beast.
and the beast.
Put the rice of the chicken teriyaki.
Rice of the chicken teriyaki. Aywa.
The finished product.
Ada finish para ko, tricolor.
Okay.
Nagiging palingki tong video mo na.
Okay.
Aywa, finish product
Pakita mo naman ako.
Oo, siyempre naman yung gwapo. Oh.
And the finished product of the chicken
Oh,
teriyaki.
the finished product of the
And we
chicken
go to
teriyaki.
the plating, ha?
Oh, plating. Oh. Ayun na naman, tumawag naman siya. Oh, dito, ilapit mo yung produkto mo. Napaso ng... Oh, ano yan? Ano? Oh,
Sprinkle pa.
oh sprinkle ban, onion. Si Boss Ating. Boss Ating! How are you?
And put some
Sam.
the decoration.
Ay ba?
And this is the finished product.
Finished product of... Take out pala yan. Chef Howard.
And I will
Die. Aywa.
beauty in the beast.
Siya naman, I will die. Siya, I will die. Sa'yo, beauty and the beast lang. Beast, matikas ang beast kaysa die. Oh, die. Kalas. Aywa. Oh, ikaw rin. Aywa. Aywa. Yeah! Oh, yan. Mga siraulo tong mga kasama ko rito. Okay, baklons. O di, ako naman, hawakan mo rin para ma-extra ko.
And the video maker, John Cena. Ewa, alas.